Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss the verb êTRE. First we discuss the singular part. What does êTRE mean? êTRE is one of the most important verbs in French. êTRE means to be. We use êTRE to talk about who someone is, profession, nationality, age, feelings or condition, description or location. Conjugation of êTRE. The verb êTRE is an irregular verb, so its forms have to be learned. Je suis means I am. Tu es means you are. Il est means he is or it is. Elle est means she is or it is. You have to learn the subject pronoun in sequence. So it is very helpful to learn the conjugation of the verb. Let's understand each form with example. Je suis professeur means I am a teacher. Tu es étudiant means you are a student. Il est français means he is French. Elle est française means she is French. Plural form of êTRE verb. Nous sommes means we are. Vous êtes means you are. Ils sont means they are. Elles sont means they are. Let's understand plural form with examples. Nous sommes étudiants means we are students. Vous êtes professeur means you are a teacher. Ils sont étudiants means they are students. Elles sont étudiantes means they are students. At the end of the video, there is an exercise based on today's topic. Please attempt it and share your answers in the comment section below.